Which mocha pot or stovetop espresso maker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Bialetti Moka Express. The Bialetti Moka Express is the classic stovetop espresso maker that everyone talks about. Retailing at $69.51, it caught my eye because of its iconic design and reputation. If you want authentic Italian coffee right at home, this is worth a serious look. It's made of aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution so no more burnt coffee. Plus, the patented safety valve makes it easy to clean, and it's gas stovetop compatible, adding to its versatility. With over 3,000 sold just this month, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some people complained about it being difficult to clean since it shouldn't go in the dishwasher. Here's the thing though, I think a little extra care is worth it for that delicious coffee experience. If you're someone who values tradition and quality, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love classic designs and want to brew authentic Italian coffee at home. Skip this one if you're looking for a low-maintenance option. Honestly, it's great value for those who appreciate the art of coffee brewing. Now, if the cleaning issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Primula Classic Moka Pot. Next up is the Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker, priced at just $25.29. What caught my attention here is its affordability combined with solid performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers on quality, this is worth considering. This mocha pot brews 6 cups of smooth espresso in minutes, perfect for a quick pick-me-up. It's made of cast aluminum, providing excellent heat distribution, ensuring your coffee has that rich flavor and aroma. The design is user-friendly. Just fill the lower chamber with water, add ground coffee, and place it on the stovetop. With over 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's also popular among coffee enthusiasts. Some users mentioned that it can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while it may not have the heft of pricier models, it performs well and brews delicious coffee. If you're not overly concerned with a premium feel, you'll be very happy with this one. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mocha pot that won't break the bank. Skip this if you prioritize premium materials and durability. For the price, it's a fantastic steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more modern. Product number 3, Bialetti Venus Induction. Now let's talk about the Bialetti Venus Induction, priced at $60.70. This caught my attention because it combines tradition with modern technology. If you want a stylish stovetop maker that works on all hobs, this is definitely worth a look. The Venus brews 4 cups of coffee and is made of high-quality stainless steel, giving it a sleek look and durability. It's designed for induction stoves as well, which is a game changer for many home cooks. Just fill it with coffee, close it up, and once it starts gurgling, you know it's ready to pour. It's also easy to clean with just a quick rinse, which is a big plus for busy mornings. Some users found that the coffee doesn't have the same intensity as the classic Moka Express. Here's the thing though, while it may not replicate that exact traditional flavor, it offers a clean, modern design and convenience that many appreciate. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional mocha pot for an induction stovetop. Skip this if you strictly want that traditional mocha coffee flavor. For the quality and versatility, it's a great value. Now, if the sleek design is what you're after, the next option is all about style and fun. Product number 4, Primula Classic Moka Pot Blue. Next is another Primula Classic Moka Pot, but this one comes in a vibrant blue color and costs $31.61. I love that it adds a pop of color to your kitchen. If you want functionality with a fun twist, this might be for you. Just like its silver counterpart, this blue version brews 6 cups of espresso and is crafted from durable cast aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution. The easy-to-use design allows you to whip up delicious coffee in minutes. Plus, it's portable, making it a great choice for camping trips or outdoor adventures. With 1,000 units sold in the last month, it's clearly a hit. Some users noted that the color may fade over time. Here's the thing though, if you're using it regularly, a little wear adds character. If you're looking for a reliable pot that looks good, you might overlook this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a mocha pot that brings some personality to your coffee routine. Skip this if you're after a more classic look. For its price and unique design, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you want to bring some glam to your coffee making, the next product is all about style. Product number 5, Paris Hilton Stovetop Espresso Maker. Finally, we have the Paris Hilton Stovetop Espresso Maker priced at $31.45. What caught my eye is its chic pink design and heart-shaped knob. If you want a mocha pot that stands out and brews amazing coffee, this one's a fun option. This pot brews 6 cups of rich espresso and is crafted with durable cast aluminum, ensuring longevity. It's designed for both Italian and Cuban coffee styles, making it versatile for various tastes. And just like the others, it's easy to use and clean, simply rinse with warm water. It's a blend of style and function that's hard to resist. Some reviews mention that the handle can get hot during use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and use a pot holder, it's manageable. If you're someone who loves to entertain or have fun with your kitchen decor, this could be a great addition. This is perfect for you if you love stylish kitchen gadgets and entertaining guests. Skip this if you prioritize functionality over aesthetics. For its unique design and performance, it's definitely worth the price. So there you have it. We've covered the Bialetti Moka Express for classic lovers, the budget-friendly Primula Classic, the modern Bialetti Venus Induction, the fun Primula in blue, and the stylish Paris Hilton Moka Pot. Each one brings something unique to the table. Depending on your needs and style, you can't go wrong with any of these top picks.